Hi, I'm Lauren Iannotti, Editor-in-Chief of Real Simple, and welcome to our 6th annual Real Simple home here in beautiful Brooklyn Heights. Over the past year, our editorial team has been working with some talented designers to turn this beautiful raw space into a hub of dreamy design ideas. And I can't wait to show you the beautiful results. If at any point in this tour you see something that you like in particular, scan the QR code and it'll take you shopping. You enter the apartment and you're kind of drawn directly to this big, beautiful living space designed by Bobby Burke. One of Bobby's biggest challenges with this space is to take this glass box and make it feel like a room. He did that first by anchoring it with this deep blue floor rug. Then he layered sculptural pieces with different geometric shapes all around it. The sofa has a dip in the center. The coffee table has these rounded legs that really bring a softness to it. We love this monochromatic table lamp, so the shade and the base are the same color. It's a huge trend in decor right now. And these kooky sconces on the wall, which add fun dimension, who would have thought to put them between the windows? Bobby showed us that you can really think outside the box, even when you're designing inside of one. What's not to love about this kitchen and dining area designed by Kim and Scott Vargo of Yellow Brick Home? It has gorgeous natural wood cabinets with this muted hardware that just really makes you feel calm. And then when you look across to the nook, you've got this mossy green paint, and then you've got this orangey velvet sofa they just found that fit perfectly in the space, and they kind of complement each other in this beautiful harmony. The oval table is a great solution for a smaller dining area. Plus these cool on-trend cane chairs match the ones in the kitchen, so it all feels very cohesive. This gorgeous home office was designed by Michelle Gage. Obviously, the first thing you notice when you walk into this space is the wallpaper. And Michelle went all out with this beautiful pattern from House of Hackney. Since that print is so bold, the rest of the design and decor elements are simple. The desk is just natural wood in 2 tones. You've got a brass lamp, so that we're not bringing any more color in there. There is a pop of blue with the chair, which works to great effect to pull out some of the color in those leaves. The overall effect is she's not hiding or cowering from all the color in that wallpaper. She's using some tones to pull it out and using others to chill it out. There are 3 beautifully designed bedrooms, but this primary suite is a true showstopper. It's designed by David Quarles. I'm a huge fan of his work. Let's start with a wallpaper, which really draws you into the space. David designed it himself and named it after his grandmother. It's called Ruth's Garden. From there, David used 3 different paint colors pulled directly from that pattern. In the can, those colors may look a little dark, but the floor-to-ceiling windows really brighten them right up. I'm calling this a faux chandelier. It's actually 3 different fixtures that David hung from the ceiling at different lengths. And last but not least, the disco ball, one of David's go-tos. It adds a nice sparkle and a real playful vibe to the room. The rooftop is really the crown jewel of this whole place, and we worked with Linda Hazlett of LH Designs to make it shine. There are 4 casual seating areas, 1 with a fireplace, plus a dining space. And that kind of variety of experiences is what a well-designed space should encourage. I hope you enjoyed checking out the Real Simple home with me. And remember, if you were inspired by anything you saw, scan that QR code and let's go shopping. And if you'd like a closer look at the Real Simple home, pick up the new issue or go to realsimple.com and check out our 360 virtual tour. Happy designing!
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.